How to log in Bitcoin wallet account. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Bitcoin wallet, make sure you have the Bitcoin.com application on your device. If not, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now open the application and you will be led to the homepage of Bitcoin.com. In order to log in, tap on the settings option from the bottom right of your screen. You will see the option for sign in. Tap on that. Now choose how you want to sign in. You can choose from sign in with Apple or sign in with Google, or you can also simply enter your email address. I will choose sign in with Google here. So go ahead and enter your email address and your password. You will receive a verification code, so enter that, and with this you will be logged into Bitcoin wallet account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.